Hey everyone, welcome to the another awesome video. 3 days ago, DeepSeek launched DeepSeek V4 Pro and it is accessible for us. Today I will show you the way that you can use DeepSeek V4 Pro for free inside your Visual Studio Code through CLI and inside browser as well. I will show you three different ways that you can use. Until 2-3 days ago, the model that we have used, which is DeepSeek V4 Pro preview model. After successfully preview is completed, it will launch the official DeepSeek V4 Pro with huge improvement. This is the benchmark. Benchmark reflect that it will directly competing with Cloud Opus 4.8 in most of the benchmark. In Terminal Bench 2.0, it will score 87.9, Opus score 85, where Kimike 3 score 88.3, means in Terminal Benchmark, it will beat Cloud Opus 4.8. It will mention in the benchmark. Does its benchmark reflect in its performance? We are going to test it. A major upgrades with strong production gain, flexible reasoning effort for V4 Pro and V4 Flash, low for the simple tasks, daily agent workflow, max for complex tasks, native OpenAI responsive AI support, optimized for codecs with one-click setup. And best part, if you want to try it out, it will clearly mention that V4 Pro is now available on app and web. This export mode is a DeepSeek V4 Pro that you can use. Here it will clearly mention that try it out through export mode. Where you can try it out, go to the official DeepSeek website and in the chat section, if you click on the chat now, then you are navigate here and you can find these three sections in start chatting with export. This export is a DeepSeek V4 Pro version, which is the latest launch DeepSeek product. Okay, by this way, you can easily use DeepSeek V4 Pro, which is very much fast in website. It will provide you a huge token inside the website. But if you didn't want to use it in your website, then I will show you the way. Don't worry. Before using it, explore it all, check the benchmark and many things. After the successful of DeepSeek V4 Pro, it will also launch this DeepSeek harness. If you want, then comment down below. I'll make video about this DeepSeek harness in my next tutorial. Okay, then first way that I have already mentioned, which is through official DeepSeek website, where you can find the chat mode, where this chat mode is a DeepSeek V4 Pro, which will be officially mentioned in DeepSeek X platform. After that, another platform that you can use DeepSeek V4 Flash, which is FreeBugg. Okay, we are offering DeepSeek V4 Pro 100% free. It's free forever because we put ads in our harness. If you want to use totally free, then you can also use FreeBugg as well. But one disadvantage about FreeBugg is DeepSeek V4 Pro version is not available in every country. If you visit it here, only DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 model is available in South Asia. If you are in top tier country like US, Canada, then you can easily access it. This is the list of model where DeepSeek V4 Pro is currently available for free. FreeBugg only provide limited model outside this full access country, which is South Asia and African side. If you are in the Europe, US, then you can use DeepSeek V4 Flash in FreeBugg totally for free. After this two way, I will show you the best way that you can get access from everywhere and inside Visual Studio Code, which is provided by TokenRouter, totally free. If you go to the TokenRouter website, tokenrouter.com, it will provide you the base URL. You can use it inside Cloud Code as well. You can use it inside Codex. You can use it inside all the OpenAI-compatible and Anthropic-compatible platform. Today I will show you inside the Visual Studio Code. Then let's get started. First, select your best browser. It might be the Visual Studio Code, or you can continue same process inside your anti-gravity as well. Inside Visual Studio Code, you everyone know extension marketplace will be available. Source for Kilo, we are going to use through Kilo Code extension. If you want, you can continue with Client as well. This is the official extension of Kilo Code AI coding agent, Copilot and autocomplete. It is the most useful extension. Every time I will mention, it will provide some model for free as well by default. If you search free, then you can find the list of available model which will be provided by Kilo Code. Okay, among them, Step 3.7 is best, Nemotron Ultra is best, Laguna, HY3 is best. If you want, you can try it out. After that, go to this profile section. I will show you my profile. My balance is currently 0. Then go to this settings icon. Inside this setting icon, you can find this provider section and scroll down to below. You can find this custom provider. Click on this connect. Here it will ask the provider ID. Provide any provider ID. I'm going to copy this and paste it here in display name. In provider ID, it only allow the lowercase letter. Okay, provider API will be the OpenAI-compatible base URL. This is the base URL. Copy it from here and paste it inside the kilocode base URL section. After you have provided base URL, until now, no any model will be reflected here. You need a API key. Then how you can get it? Click on this get API key section. It will ask you to authenticate. Continue with Google, X or email password. I'm going to continue with my Google account. In TokenRouter, every time it will provide at least 1 or 2 model for free. Until some day ago, it will provide Kimi K3. Now it will provide Coin 3.8 and DeepSeek V4 Flash. We don't want to pay it. This is the default API key. I'm going to delete it and I'll create new API key. Give any name that you want. I'll give this DeepSeek free. Okay, set the expiration date. You want to use some specific model, select it from here, but I'm going to skip it. Submit. Your API key is ready. I'll copy it. Didn't share your API key with anyone. I'm going to delete my API key before video is published. After you have get your API key, provide your API key here. After you have provided your API key, all the list of model will be reflected here. Source for free. Then all the free model that you have found it here, which is Coin 3.8 Max free, Gemini 3 Flash free, DeepSeek V4 Pro 0813 means it will launch in August 13. I only want to use this model. Submit. Okay, I forget to provide the name. I'm going to provide its name here. Copy, paste and submit it. Now you are ready to use. It will show you the message after successfully added this provider inside your kilocode. You can see TokenRouter connected. TokenRouter model are now available to use. After that, source for TokenRouter provider name, then model will be reflected here. Select it, then I'm going to start it in new window. Here currently step 3. Flash is automatically selected. Now again I am going to switch to TokenRouter. Select it. You can see through TokenRouter, DeepSeek V4 Pro version will be selected. This is the latest DeepSeek V4 Pro version. I'm going to start it from here. What is Flutter? First, let's see does it work or not. You can see how much fast it will reply you, means it is working perfectly. This is the 3 ways that I will show you. Now I am going to test its performance. Here I'll give them a one-line prompt. The best part inside kilocode, you can enhance your prompt. Kilocode itself enhance your prompt and make it more professional. If you provide best prompt, then only you can expect a best output. Output is always depend on input. It will give me the detailed prompt. I'll copy this prompt here and I'll paste the same prompt in my browser as well, and I'll press enter here. It will start to work. Until it will complete this task, I'm going to wait it. It will already start to work. You can easily analyze it, how much fast this model is. Currently I'll set it is in code mode. If you want, you can also set it in ask and debug mode as well, according to your requirement. Currently it will working. Want me to scaffold, this is actually, but it will mention that project will be available inside the test, but I don't find it. I'll ask them where is the code. I don't find any code inside test folder. Now it will be listing this file inside my folder. Until that, let's see how does it will work. It will also completed this task. I forget to mention complete this inside a single HTML file. That's why it will create each and everything in separate file, which is the good practice. But for the easy running purpose, most of the time I will mention complete it inside the single HTML file. This is the code written by DeepSeek V4 Flash. It is totally compatible for coding. You can easily use it. This is the project structure that will be built. Okay, you can see inside this folder, this is the list of file it will be generated. Where is the index.html? Oh, it will use TypeScript. Okay, let's see. Until now, it will take 1 minute and 32 seconds. I'm going to wait until it will complete this task. DeepSeek V4 Pro is one of the best open source model currently available along with Kimi K3 that I will feel. Okay, and currently launched Coin 3.8 is also awesome model. I think it will complete this task. It will mention reasoning content is required. What does it mean? I think it will complete it as and everything. Ignore this. Now I will ask them to run this project. Can you run this project? Reasoning content is required. What does it mean? If you think token is expired, I will show you in another window. Okay, by selecting same model from TokenRouter. This is the TokenRouter model. I'm going to select it. Is it working? You can see it is working perfectly. This is the list of file that will be generated. Okay, it will complete this all the tasks. Here you can see working perfectly. You can easily run it. Everything will be structured here. This is the code, fab icon, everything will be included here. It will properly structure the code. Everything will be mentioned here. By this way, you can easily use it. If you're confused, our token is not expired. It will provide huge amount of token for you. You can easily use it inside your Visual Studio Code for your daily tasks. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.